Today we will discuss some important questions for board examination. So first question is expand 2x minus 3y to the power 4 by binomial theorem. Given that 2x minus 3y to the power 4, using binomial theorem, expand this expression. We know that binomial theorem is x plus y to the power n is equal to nc naught x to the power n minus 0 y to the power 0 plus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 y to the power 1 plus nc2 x to the power n minus 2 y to the power 2 plus and so on plus ncn x to the power n minus n y to the power n. This is binomial theorem. Using binomial theorem, we expand this expression here. So 2x minus 3y to the power 4 will be equal to 4c naught 2x to the power 4 minus 0 minus 3y to the power 0 plus 4c1 2x to the power 4 minus 1 minus 3y to the power 1 plus 4c2 2x to the power 4 minus 2 minus 3y to the power 2 plus 4c3 2x to the power 4 minus 3 to minus 3y to the power 3 plus 4c4 2x to the power 4 minus 4 into minus 3y to the power 4. We know that there are n plus 1 in the expansion of x plus y to the power n. Because n is 4 here, it means number of term in this expansion will be 5. And we also know that first binomial coefficient is equal to last, second binomial coefficient is equal to second last, and third binomial coefficient is equal to third last. It means value of 4c0 will be equal to 4c4, value of 4c1 will be equal to 4c3. It means 4c0 is 1, so we find 2x to the power 4 is equal to 16 x to the power 4 plus 4c1 is 4 and 2x to the power 4 is 16x to the power 4 into minus 3y. It means 4 into 16 into minus 3 into x to the power 3 into y. Plus 4c2 is 6 into 2x to the power 4 minus 2. It means 2 to the power 2 is 4 into x to the power 2. Minus 3 to the power 2 is 9 y to the power 2 plus 4c1 is equal to 4c3. So 4c3 will be equal to 4 into 2x to the power 4 minus 3 is 1. It means 2x into minus 27 y to the power 3 plus 4c4 is 1. 2x to the power 4 minus 4 is 0. It means 2x to the power 0 is 1 into minus 3 to the power 4 is 81 y to the power 4 and will be equal to 16 x to the power 4 minus 96 x cube y plus 216 x square y square minus 216 xy cube plus 81 y to the power 4 is result of this expression by binomial theorem. Now we solve next problem. Using binomial theorem, prove that 6 to the power n minus 5n always leaves the remainder 1 when divided by 25. So we have 6 to the power n minus 5n, n will be equals to 1 plus 5 to the power n minus 5n. Using binomial theorem, this will be equals to 1 plus nc1 into 5 plus nc2 into 5 square plus nc3 into 5 cube plus and so on plus ncn into 5 to the power n minus 5n, or will be equals to 1 plus nc1 is n, it means 5n plus nc2 5 square plus nc3 5 cube plus and so on ncn 5 to the power n minus 5n, and this cancel by this. This will be equals to 6 to the power n minus 5n minus 1 is equal to 25 into nc2 plus nc3 5 plus and so on plus ncn 5 to the power n minus 2, and will be equals to 25 into an integer, or 6 to the power n minus 5n is equal to 25 into an integer plus 1. It means 6 to the power n minus 5n when divided by 25 leaves the remainder 1. Now we solve next problem. Find 13th term in the expansion of 9x minus 1 upon 3 under root x to the power 18 when x is not equal to 0. So given that 9x minus 1 upon 3 under root x to the power 18. We know that r plus 1th term in the expansion of x plus y to the power n will be equals to t r plus 1 is equal to ncr x to the power n minus r y to the power r. This is r plus 1th term in the expansion of x plus y to the power n. Using this formula, 13th term in the expansion of 9x minus 1 upon 3 under root x to the power 18 is t 12 plus 1th term, or will be equals to 18 c12 9 x to the power 18 minus 12 into minus 1 upon 3 under root x to the power 12, or will be equals to 18c 12 9 to the power 6 into x to the power 6 into 1 upon 3 to the power 12 into x to the power 6. This cancel by this here, and 9 to the power 6 is equal to 3 to the power 12, so this cancel by this, or we find 18c12, and this will be equals to factorial 18 upon factorial 12 into factorial 6, or is equal to 18 into 17 into 16 into 15 into 14 into 13 into factorial 12 divided by factorial 12 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and just cancel by this. Our result is 18,564. It means answer is 18,564 here. Now we solve next problem. Find A if 17th and 18th term in the expansion of 2 plus e to the power 50 are equal. So given that 2 plus e to the power 50, we know that r plus 1th term in the expansion of x plus y to the power n is r plus 1 is equal to ncr x to the power n minus r y to the power r. Using this result, first we find 17th term, it means t 16 plus 1 and will be equals to ncr, it means 50 c 16, x is 2 here, so 2 to the power n minus r, 50 minus 16 into y is a, it means a to the power 16, or will be equals to 50 c 16 into 2 to the power 34 into a to the power 16. This is 17th term in the expansion of 2 plus a to the power 50. Now we find 18th term in the expansion of 2 plus a to the power 50. So 18th term is t 17 plus 1th term, or will be equal to 50 c 17 2 to the power 50 minus 17 into a to the power 17. But given that 17th and 18th term are equal, so t18 will be equals to t17 and t18 is 50 c17 into 2 to the power 33 into a to the power 17, and 17th term is 50 c 16 into 2 to the power 34 into a to the power 16. But we want to find here value of a here, to the power 17 divided by a to the power 16 will be equals to 50 c 16 into 2 to the power 34 divided by 50 c 17 into 2 to the power 33, and will be equals to factorial 50 upon 16 factorial into 34 factorial into 2 divided by 50 factorial divided by 17 factorial into 33 factorial, or is equals to 50 factorial divided by 16 factorial into 34 factorial into 17 factorial into 33 factorial divided by 50 factorial into 2. So this cancel by this, or we find 17 upon 34 into 2, or is equal to 1 upon 2 into 2, or is equal to 1. It means result is 1 here. Answer is 1 of this problem.